going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're in an apartment building today and we're going to be looking at a toilet that's plugged up. Now apparently it was plugged up yesterday and they wanted it cleared out today, so we'll see what we come across. Hello. You guys got a plugged toilet?
Yes, come on.
Okay, I'm here to take care of that for you.
Yeah, I gotta put on a mask.
No worries. I'm just gonna go in and close the door, okay? So what's the problem?
Okay, sometimes, two things.
Okay.
Sometimes it doesn't flush from the rim
Okay.
down. See that?
Okay.
Now sometimes it works, but a lot of the times it doesn't work. And also, when it does flush, the water doesn't go in and out. And Michael says that he thinks that there is some debris trapped inside. That's what he said. I don't know.
Do you think you dropped anything down there? No. Oh, okay. All right, not a problem. I'm gonna close the door and I'm gonna see what I can do, okay?
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Okay, so what I did, I just raised this up. I think we might be able to bring it up a little higher. Okay, my friend. Okay. So, I'm going to get you to flush it in 1 second.
Did you find an obstruction?
No. Flush it, see how it feels. How's that look?
Looks better. Still doesn't go in.
These toilets, they're not the best toilets, right? But that's a good flush. So basically, I had to raise this up.
Oh.
It was lower, so when you push this, it was just barely touching it. and it wasn't allowing it to get a good flush. But now, all right, boss?
And what about the issue about being plugged?
It's not plugged.
It's not?
No. It's just that, it was that.
Because it has happened to me in the past.
Okay.
I plunge, then the problem goes away, and then it comes back again.
How often?
I've been dealing this with more than a year.
Okay, but how often does it do that?
Pardon me?
How often? Like once a day, once a week, once a month?
Once every few days.
Once every few days?
Yeah.
Like the drain's clear. I'm gonna throw the auger through it so you can see. So it's all the way down.
Yeah.
That means there's nothing in there.
It looks fine, you're right.
What's that?
It looks fine.
Yeah. So you're good. All right. Keep an eye on it. If anything comes of it, then they may have to change the toilet out, but I don't think so as of right now.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you so much for coming.
No problem. You have yourself a good day.
You too, sir.
Thanks. All right. Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Thanks. Alright guys, it's been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taravna.